Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a very casual day in the life vlog. I feel like it's been forever since I've done just a casual vlog. I've been rushing around all morning trying to get ready to run out the door because I have to go to town today and run errands. We live an hour from town, so it's kind of like a big ordeal because you spend most of the day in town. Right now it's 8:40. I'm all ready to go. I just wanted to pack myself up a lunch really quickly. Usually I'll just grab lunch in town, but today I just decided to pack one because I have an easy Home Chef meal on hand. And today's video is sponsored by Home Chef, so a big thank you to them. So I'm gonna make this chipotle chicken grain bowl really quickly before I head out the door. It only takes 5 minutes to piece together. I've had this before from their website and it's so good. I love how Home Chef has a variety of meals on their website for you to pick from. And I usually like to get a variety in my box. In my box this time, I got like a big supper meal for all of us, and then I got 2 easy lunch meals that I could pack in my husband's lunch or that I could have while I'm here at home. I also got ingredients for a smoothie in my box as well. Home Chef has a huge variety for you to pick from. You can go on their website, sign up, pick out the meals that you want, and they will show up at your door. I love getting that email that my Home Chef box is on the way because then I don't have to worry about what I'm making for supper. And I don't get a Home Chef box every single week. It's just like a treat that I have about once a month. It gives me a nice break. I highly recommend Home Chef if you don't have time to go out and grocery shop and meal plan and all of that. You can just go on there. It only takes a couple of minutes, pick out the meals that look yummy, and they'll just show up at your door. It's super easy. And plus, with my code that I'll have come up here on the screen, you can get $80 off, which will be $20 off your first 4 boxes. A really good deal that Home Chef still has going on, so take advantage of that while they still have it going on. I will have the link for Home Chef down below, as well as all of the details typed up with the code. So thank you again to Home Chef for sponsoring this video. Okay, so I'm finally in the truck and ready to go. I'm running a little bit late. I'm meeting someone to sell something. I posted some items on buy and sell online because I did a little bit of decluttering. I'm also taking some items to Goodwill, running some errands, so it's just gonna be a pretty busy day. But first we have to stop at the post office. I just made it to town and I stopped and checked my P.O. box, and I had a box in there from the brand Munch Pack. So I guess this is snacks from around the world delivered to your door. So our first stop is going to be Walmart. I have a return and then a couple of things that I need to get there. Say cheese. Owen, did you get kitty food for our new kitty? Can you for the kitty? Yeah. If you're wondering what's on his nose right here, he fell down and slashed his nose on the coffee table. Poor little guy. Look at the cute laundry stuff that they have. They have these really neat wicker baskets and they're like lined. I wonder if these are, yeah, these are Pioneer Woman. And then how cute is this? Laundry, sorting life's problems one load at a time. And then this one, I've seen some people post about on Instagram. So cute. Okay, so we made it out of Walmart alive. It was so packed in there, but I found a lot of cute stuff. I found some cute hats and a dress. I'll show you guys when I get home. It's a really cute modest dress. Our Walmart just got like a makeover, like they redid the inside, they painted the outside, so they were having like a, I don't know what it was today. They were giving away like free food. They had a guy dressed up as Tony the Tiger walking around, and Owen was like obsessed with Tony. He walked past him like 3 times friends, and each time he wanted to give him a high five, and he kept waving hi to him. And they had a Coca-Cola booth set up, and they gave Owen a free Coca-Cola truck, and they had the Coca-Cola bear walking around like a guy dressed up as that. So Owen just had a blast in there because there was all these life-size stuffed animals walking around. Can you show him your truck? Whoa, cool truck. It's just me and Owen today because Kyle went with Jalen to work today because Jalen is swathing the oat hay. But I think that I'm gonna eat my lunch and then we are going to head to our next stop. I just pieced together my home chef meal here. I put the guacamole on top, the spinach, and it looks really yummy. I'm glad that I packed a lunch. We just turned into the farm lane because we're gonna go and ride in the Swather with my husband, and I stopped and grabbed Jalen and Kyle some ice cream on my way home just for a little treat because it's like almost 90 degrees outside. It's so hot. These mountains are so pretty up here. I'm trying to find the field where he's at. He said go up to the stop sign and then give him a call, but I'm not seeing the Swather anywhere, so we'll see if we can find him. Yep, I can hear you. I see you out there in the field.
Just keep going straight.
Okay, where do I turn at?
Just a little bit more. I'll tell you when. Just take a left, like right in there somewhere. There's a little road.
I'm trying to navigate my way around this pivot on this dirt road, but with this brand new truck, I hate taking it on dirt roads like this with all these rocks, but that's just gonna happen. He said to go around to the east side of the pivot and we're gonna meet him over here somewhere. You can see out the passenger window there is a field of oats that they already cut, and then over here out this window is the field that he's currently cutting. You can't really see, his swather is just like right out there. He's coming around this side of the pivot. Oh, it smells so good outside, like fresh cut oats. So this right here is called a pivot, and this is what waters the field. It just goes around in a whole circle. That's why all of the fields are circles. So there's one guy swathing on this side of the field with that red swather out there. And then over here is my husband swathing. He's got Kyle in there with him. He is almost here, gonna pick us up. Swather. my left, this is the main farm, and we were in a field back to the left over there, but I have to head down the road a ways to get to the other part of the farm where we live at. We're back home now, and while I was in town, I was gonna run into Lowe's and look at white paint, but I just ran out of time. I was gonna look at white paint because I've been considering painting my fireplace white, but I just haven't made up my mind on if I actually want to do it yet or not, because it's going to be a big project. Ideally, I would want to repaint all of the walls in the house because they're like this light tan color that can almost have like a pink hue to it at some times of the day. We're hoping to move out of this house within the next year, so it's just not practical to repaint all of the walls in the living room and back the hallway. It would just be a huge job. So I thought one thing that I could do is to paint the fireplace white, and that would help to brighten up the living room because the fireplace is kind of this darker brown color, and I feel like that it makes the room feel darker than it is. Ignore the boxes over here, but this fireplace is so huge. It goes all the way back this way. It just goes down the whole center of the living room. Just feel like if it was white, it would just be so much brighter in here. The light that comes in from the windows would reflect off of the white paint and just make it even more brighter. And this is a nice paint color. We painted it this brown color probably like 3.5 years ago. I'm gonna say maybe it was 4 years. So let me know down in the comments, should I paint the fireplace white or not? Because I can't decide. I need some opinions. Now I'll do a little Walmart haul and just show you the couple things that I got, and I also want to show you that dress that I got. First thing that I got from Walmart was this giant dog bowl for water for the dog. For the summertime, she goes through so much water, so she just needed a bigger water dish. I got some of these artesian sourdough hard pretzels. They were only like $2, and it's been forever since we've had really good pretzels. Popcorn, this is the brand that I usually get, and we go through a lot of peanut butter, so I always buy a giant jug of peanut butter. Needed a new shower curtain for our shower because I'm going to be cleaning our shower, and I like to replace the curtain when I clean it. And I grabbed these sneakers because they were only $16, and these were just so comfy when I tried them on, and I'm going to be going on a trip here in about 2 weeks, so I needed a comfy pair of sneakers to wear while flying, and these are really cute too. They have that band across the front. And I needed some of these no-show socks to wear with sneakers and stuff. This is a 6 pair for like $5, I think it was. Here is that denim dress that I got. I'll try that on here in a little bit and see what it looks like. I'm not sure if it's actually gonna look cute or not. We'll see once I try it on. I got some kitten food and a little dish because we recently got a kitten. And then I got 2 of these hats to try. I've been wanting to see what one of these hats would look like on me, and I had my hair up so I couldn't really try them on, so I'll try them on now that I have them home. But this hat was on clearance for $5. It's just a nice light tan hat, and this hat was on clearance for only $2. I thought this would make a great beach hat, and I just had to grab it for only $2. Why not? Here's what this hat looks like on. It's pretty cute actually, and I could use this as a beach hat. Okay, so the pink hat looks ridiculous. It's like too small for my head. It's just like sitting on top of my head. I just can't. I'm just gonna take it back and get my $2 back. Okay, so it is the next day now. I totally forgot to end this vlog yesterday, and I forgot to show you the dress, so I'm gonna show you the dress really quickly before we end the vlog. Here's what the dress looks like. It's really cute and comfy, and it has pockets. It's got a drawstring. That is going to be it for this vlog. If you enjoy vlogs, then be sure and give this video a thumbs up, and let me know down below if you want me to film more of these casual vlogs in the future, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!